everybody? It is your boy Miles Tatum, and today I want to show you how to hack. I want to show you how to get the hacked version of Subway Surfers. Now, I know a lot of people don't play Subway Surfer, but I'm just saying, like, it's kind of fun when you do it. See, okay, so let's just go into this one. This is my hacked version. Load. Takes kind of a while. Let me turn on this volume. Yeah. Okay, you see this? So, yeah, this is my character for right now. Now, if you go to me, you can see how many coins that I have. Unlimited. It goes up. So you can get like a whole bunch of these. This crap and the hack version, okay? Okay, so let's go home. Okay, and what you need to get the hack version is that you have to download Tutu app, which is easy. You just go to Google, you click on Metro PCS, you go to Tutu app. I already did it. And then not for Android, is this one, the second one, guys. If you have Android, press the second one. And you have iOS, get like stuff like that. Well, I think I need to get the latest version, but still, wait, is this the right one? Hold up, guys, don't hold up, what? Oh, never mind. Just go to Tutu. Oh crap, Tutu app. This one, I'm pretty sure. Download. Is it the same one? What? Okay, yeah. If you get the latest version, I have to download the latest version, and then just hold it to freaking ads. Stop sending it. Interested. Okay, thank you. Now, kids, download. It's free. Of course, you can say it's free. So I'm just gonna download this latest version real quick. It's already done. All right. Let's open the newest version. App not installed. Okay, done. I don't care. Okay, so anyways, you go to Tutu app after you're done downloading it, because I already had to download it. That's probably like why it has all that. To search up Tutu app. Oh my god. No. Okay. No. Skip. Okay. No. My thing's messing up. Okay, anyways, you just go to Spotify or whatever it says. You search up. Okay. You search up HACK hack Subway Surfer. Okay. Subway Surfer. Okay. Hack Subway Surfer. Okay. Now, you have to click not that one. It's this one. Not that one. I don't know why it's still downloaded. I'm supposed to delete that. But anyways, you go down to Subway Surfers mod. Unlimited coins and keys. Yep. It's really cool. And then download it, you open it, you have unlimited crap. Do one run. Yeah, just doing a little run real quick. I did it to all my friends and stuff, and they've got it, and like it's pretty cool. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys want to see more tutorials on this, slap that like button. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. See you later.